As dental students, you've seen thousands of teeth, but today we step inside one. Welcome to the beginning of your endodontic journey, where science, skill, and precision come together. Deep inside the tooth lives the pulp, a soft, vascular tissue responsible for root development, sensation, defense, and secondary and tertiary dentin formation. This is the structure we are trying to save or safely replace in endodontics. But the pulp is vulnerable. Caries, trauma, cracks, and repeated dental procedures can irritate it. And once inflammation becomes irreversible or infection takes over, the pulp can no longer recover. Irreversible pulpitis leads to necrosis and periapical periodontitis. As a dental student, you must decide which path your patient needs. Preserve pulp vitality if the pulp is still capable of healing, or perform root canal treatment if the pulp is irreversibly inflamed or necrotic. This decision is the foundation of good endodontic practice. The root canal system isn't a simple tube. It's a three-dimensional labyrinth with curves, fins, lateral canals, and isthmuses. Understanding this complexity is what separates a student from a clinician. When RCT is indicated, your mission has three goals: shape the canal, maintain anatomy while creating a taper, clean the canal, irrigate, disinfect, and remove debris, fill the canal, seal it in 3 dimensions. This is how we prevent or treat periapical disease. To perform predictable endodontics, you'll learn to use stainless steel hand files for glide path, nickel titanium rotary or reciprocating systems for safe shaping, gates and Glidden burrs for coronal flaring, and ultrasonics for activation and retrievals. These are the everyday tools of contemporary practice. Endodontics isn't only about instruments. Materials matter too. Sodium hypochlorite, 2.5%, dissolves tissue and kills microbes. EDTA removes the smear layer. Calcium hydroxide, interappointment medicatorant. And gutta percha and sealer for obturation. These determine the biological success of treatment. No endodontic journey is perfect. You'll encounter ledges, blocks, apical transportation, resorption, and persistent infection. Recognizing and managing these complications is part of becoming a skilled dentist. After RCT, the tooth is vulnerable. Long-term success depends heavily on the coronal restoration. Molars need cuspal coverage. A ferrule of at least 2 millimeters improves survival. Delay in restoration reduces success. Quality endodontics require quality restoration. As dental students, mastering endodontics means mastering pulp biology, diagnosis, canal anatomy, root canal steps, materials, and restorative planning. This series will take you from foundational concepts to practical, step-by-step knowledge. You're about to learn endodontics the right way: structured, clear, clinically relevant, and scientifically accurate. Let's begin the journey inside the tooth together.